Did you understood that question?
Ma'am, are you sharing the screen now?
No, this is the same thing. Questions are there in front of you.
No, ma'am, I can't see that. It's still black.
Now,
No, ma'am, still I can't see.
Ma'am, actually, the same problem happened with me yesterday. So what I did was I restarted it, ma'am. I left the meeting and joined again.
yeah, that's what I'm telling. Mary, can you leave and join again?
Okay, ma'am. Yes, ma'am, I'll try.
Train questions clear? Have you solved those 8.8 exercise, 4.8 exercise?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now
Ma'am.
clear?
Yes, ma'am.
All those questions clear now?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, actually, I have doubt in the 14th one. Yeah, I'm actually not getting it, ma'am.
A motorboat, 14th one. What happened?
Ma'am, actually, no, ma'am, the equation, I don't know, ma'am. I'm not getting it properly.
The same question? Is this the
Oh,
same
yes,
question?
ma'am.
We have solved it.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I got the equation, ma'am, but I don't know, ma'am. I was not able to solve it.
Solving practice you have to do.
I've done it. I think I've done it in a little different way. I've sent you the picture in the homework thing. This.
Ma'am, now I can see, ma'am.
Okay.
And ma'am, in the sixth one, I got the equation as x square plus 400x minus 16,000 is 0.
X square? What you got?
X square,
Hmm?
x square plus 400x minus 16,000 is 0. And then after that, I am not getting, ma'am, how to factorize.
16,000, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Is this minus or plus 400?
Ma'am, it's plus, ma'am. X square plus 400 minus 16,000.
16,000, 160 into 100. This is 80 into 2. 100. 100 is 50 into 2. 52 is 100. 160, no. It is 400 unit. 44, 25, 2.
Ma'am, I don't know if the equation is correct or not, ma'am. Can I ask others if they got the same equation?
Question number?
6, ma'am.
Question number 6. Is that the question right? Equation right?
Yes, ma'am, I'm not sure, ma'am, if it's right.
This others I'm asking.
No, ma'am.
I got it as plus 16,000.
Ma'am,
Yes?
I got it as x square plus 400 plus 400x plus 96,000.
What's the answer?
800.
Yeah, ma'am. Same.
40 minutes late in order to reach the destination 1600 kilometers away in time. So that means you will get 1600x 400 kilometers. It increases. minus 1600 divided by x plus 400, that is equal to 40 minutes. 40 by 60, that is 2 by 3. This is another method. I am only checking out for the numerical. Whatever if you have done first method, no problem. This is only for checking.
Ma'am, actually now I got the mistake, ma'am. I didn't do 40 by 60. I just did 40.
Then completely wrong.
Okay, ma'am. I understood.
Nine lakh 60,000. 1200 and 800.
Ma'am, can you repeat the C value again, please?
Which value?
C value, ma'am. 9 lakh?
9,60,000.
Ma'am, even I got that, ma'am, but then I'm getting the X value as 0 or minus 400, ma'am.
No, is x is either it is plus 12, minus 1200 and minus 800. Plus 800. It is x 12 into 8. 12 and 8. X square minus 1200x plus 800 plus 1200 minus 800x minus 9,60,000.
Okay, ma'am, I'll check again.
So x plus 1200 and x minus 800. So x is equal to minus 1200, which is not possible. So x is equal to plus 800. Ananya,
Yes, ma'am.
what you got by copying? Only completion. Other than that, anything? Other than
Ma'am?
that, anything you got it?
Ma'am?
Yes, Nishant.
In this case, new time is equal to usual time plus 40 minutes, no, ma'am?
Yeah, 40 by 60.
40 minutes.
That is 40 minutes. 40 minutes converted into
40
hour.
by 2 by 3.
Yeah, 2 by 3.
That is 1600 by x plus 400 is equal to 1600 by x plus 2 by 3.
Yeah.
Then we'll get 1600 by x plus 400 minus 1600 by x, no, ma'am?
1 second, wait. What's the problem is there? What happened in that?
This new time is equal to usual time plus 40 minutes because it is late.
No, there's a difference here. Difference is only usual time y. So it is first is x plus 400 is equal to y. It is late. So it can take, that means lesser, no? That time, that much time lesser. So minus 2 by 3. Because it has started 40 minutes late. That means it has took that much time less, no? Yes, Nishant. Is that clear?
It took means
It
it
took
is
40
late.
minutes. It started late. So,
Yes.
so here, but it has started after this much time. But then it is how much? So it is took less time, no? 40 minutes lesser time to cover the same distance because it has reached at the same position, same time.
But ma'am, they gave that it is 40 minutes late. Means
Yeah,
it is.
that's what. This is the usual time taken to cover the same distance.
Yes, ma'am.
Then after that, here in the second case, what happened? It has started 40 minutes late.
Means the same distance remain.
Distance remains same.
Ah,
So time, what will happen to the time?
yes.
That means if 40 minutes is reduced, no, because it has started, but it has reached at the same duration. So when
Okay, ma'am. Now understood.
suppose it has to start at 10 and need to reach at 11,
Yes,
but
ma'am.
it has started 40 minutes late. So it has to cover, it has to reach at the same time at 11 o'clock. So how much this in time he has reached? In 20 minutes it has reached. So time is
Yes, ma'am.
reduced, no? Time is
Yes,
reduced.
ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Mom, yes, mom, I took it as plus 40, so that I got it.
Yeah, it's
Ma'am?
not plus 40. Whenever it is late, that means it has covered the same time. It has reached in the same time. So due to that, the total time is reduced.
Ma'am, I also took the same. I got 800, so I thought it was correct.
Yes, Mary?
Ma'am, for me, for the sixth one, ma'am, I'm getting the quadratic equation as x squared plus 400x minus 9,60,000, ma'am.
Yeah, it's like, right.
Ma'am, but when I'm simplifying, it's coming as 0 and minus 400. Like D value, I'm getting it as 400.
B value is 400.
Ma'am, D value, ma'am,
Yeah.
D value I'm getting as 400.
Then this one square root will be 20.
No, ma'am, after finding the square root, yes,
So
ma'am, the square.
how you will get? Possible is not possible. B square minus 4AC. So what is B square? B is 400. So 400 square is 1,60,000.
Yes, ma'am.
Minus 4AC, 4 into 9,60,000.
Plus 384,000.
Then how much it is? How it is 400 you got then?
Ma'am, I added it and found the square root of it.
1, 2, 3, 4 minus 4AC, that is plus 4 into 9,60,000. So it will be 1,60,000 plus 4 zeros, 3, 8. So now 4 zeros remain same. It is 10, 10, 4. So it is D value is 4 million. So that means it is this one, 20. 2,000 is D value is 2,000. Square root of D is 2,000.
Oh, okay, ma'am. Ma'am, I got D value same, but I thought it was root is 400 and took like that.
How it is 400? 4 the square root is 2.
Yes, ma'am.
2 sets of 3 terms. That means 3 zeros will be there.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. Got it, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Yes.
I did not get the third one, ma'am.
Third one. A fast train take 1 hour less than a slow train for a journey of 200 kilometers. So journey of 200, distance is 200. You didn't get the equation or the factorization?
Equation, ma'am.
V is 200. If the speed of the slow train is 10 km per hour lesser than the fast train. So fast train speed will be
X,
X
ma'am.
and the slow train speed will be
Will it be 10 minus X?
10 hours less. X minus 10.
Oh,
Now time taken by fast train is Y. So what is the time taken? We are solving with the first or second method. Then slow train
first
time
method, ma'am.
1 hour. Sorry, how much it is third one? Fast train taking 1 hour less. So slow train will take 1 hour more. Is it right?
Yes, ma'am.
Then write this speed into the time is equal to distance. X into Y is equal to 200. First equation. For the slow train, X minus 10 into Y plus 1 is equal to 200.
Okay. Okay, ma'am. Okay. So I got. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. Yes, any other doubts you have?
No, ma'am. Now, how many exercises from this chapter again?
13 are there totally.
All 13 we should solve, ma'am.
Yes. This is 8th one till now. Now the next question. And this is again important question.
Ma'am, NCRT, no, ma'am?
NCRT.
Yes, ma'am.
Two taps. One second. So here two water taps together can fill a tank in 9 3/8 hours. So that is work time questions. Last in linear equation we have solved. The same way here also we have to solve. The tap of larger diameter take 10 hours less than the smaller one to fill the tank separately. Find the time in which each tap can separately fill the tank. So consider the each tap's time period for filling the full tank as x. One will take the smaller one because larger diameter tap will take 10 hours less. So smaller one, let the time taken by smaller tap, actually smaller diameter tap, to completely fill the tank. Fill the tank is equal to x hours. Okay. Then larger diameter will take, larger tap will take how much time?
X plus 10.
X minus 10. X minus 10 hours. So in 1 hour, how much part of the tank will be filled? Smaller tap will fill how much part of the tank? If it completely filling it in X hours, so in 1 hour, how much part of the tank it will fill?
1 by x.
1 by X part of a tank. And the larger will fill how much part?
1 by
1 by x minus
1 by X minus 10th part will be filled. Now together if they are working, they are completely filling in 9 3/8 hours. Together fill the tank, fill the total tank in 9 3/8 hours. That is equal to 75/8 hours.
5/8.
So in 1 hour, both together, how much part of the tank they can fill?
8 by 17.
1 by 75/8. That is equal to 8 by 75th part will be filled by both of them. Now relate this. Smaller tank, smaller tap will fill this much part. Larger will fill, so this is a one tank. Smaller will fill 1 by x part. Larger will fill 1 by x minus 10th part. And both together, how much part of the tank they are filling? 8 by 75 part. So how to relate this?
So 1 by x plus 1 by
1
x
by x plus 1 by x minus 10.
equals
And that is
8
totally
by
equal to
75.
8 by 75.
LCA.
Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Equation clear. Solving is further easy, but equation is clear how we have taken.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
And then simplify this. Take the LCM. LCM is x into x minus 10. Here you have to multiply with x minus 10. This side is with x, that is equal to 8 by 75. So it is 2x minus 10 multiply with 75 is equal to 8x into x minus 10. Simplify. 150 x minus 750 is equal to 8x square minus 80x. 0 is equal to 8x square minus 80x minus 150x plus 750. So this is 8x square minus 230x plus 750 divisible by 2. So it is 4x square minus 115x plus 375. 375 is 4 into 375 is a product needed, positive. That means the sum of two terms is 115. 375 is 15 into 25. So 4 into 25, 150. So these two will work out. 4x square minus 100x minus 15x plus 375. So 4x into bracket x minus 25 minus 15 into x minus 25. So x minus 25 or 4x minus 15, that is equal to 0. Therefore x is equal to 25 or 15 by 4. 15 by 4 won't work. Why?
Ma'am, because it's not a whole number.
That doesn't matter. Time is x is time r only. So it can be converted into r. So why not 15 by 4 works? Can anyone tell the reason why not x is equal to 15 by 4 works?
Ma'am, because it cannot be larger than the time taken to fill the total tank.
No, it's lesser. It is always larger, this one. Should be the larger one. Every single tap is working only. Then the time will be always more. It cannot be less. Both are working together, then the time required will be less. If alone is working to completely fill the same tank, it will automatically take some more value.
Ma'am, because if you minus 10 from it, then the larger tank will be in less. Like it won't be, it'll be
Negative. It will be negative.
Yeah, negative.
So 15 by 4 is the time taken by smaller tap. And what is the time taken by larger tap? Will be x minus 10. So is it possible that answer will be positive? 15 by 4 minus 10 will be negative answer. Is it possible that is the time taken will be negative?
No, ma'am.
So therefore 15 by 4 is not possible. It's clear?
Yes, ma'am.
So write properly. This question will be asked for 4 mark.
Ma'am, can you like show the question also a little bit, ma'am? Yes, ma'am.
Mom, in the exam, should we just write not possible or should we even show the reason why it's not possible?
No, you can tell. You can directly write that is if x is equal to 15 by 4, then the x minus 10 will be negative.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, can you scroll down a little?
Completed?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
And the last question. Sum of the areas of 2 square is 468 meters square. And if the difference of their perimeters is 24 meter, find the size of the 2 squares. 2 squares these are, so we'll consider x and y. 2 square sides is equal to x and y meter. Sum of areas of 2 square. So areas are x square and y square is equal to 468. And difference of their perimeter. So what is the perimeter of square?
4A.
4a.
4a, that means here side is x, so perimeter will be,
X,
and second one is 4y.
Y.
4 difference is equal to 24. So divide everything with 4. X minus y is equal to 6. So x is equal to 6 plus y. Substitute in the first equation. 6 plus y whole square plus y square is equal to 468. And then simplify and solve the question. Solve this further.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, I have a doubt, ma'am.
Yeah.
Ma'am, in this second step, we have taken 4x minus 4y is equal to 24, right?
Ma'am, it is
But then if
4x
plus 4y.
Wait,
no,
one
ma'am.
second, Ankur. She's asking something.
Ma'am,
Yes.
but then if y is more bigger than
4y
4,
minus 4x.
ma'am, but how will we like know which is bigger and which is not?
Case 1, case 2, you will get the same answers in both the cases. If x is one value, whatever the value of y you will get. In the second case, that is the value of y and the x value is opposite.
Oh, okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, here 4x, it should be 4x plus 4y, ma'am.
Why? There is difference of their perimeter is given, no?
Okay.
Difference of perimeters. What the answer?
Ma'am, y is equal to 12 meter, I'm getting.
Yes, it's 12.
Ma'am, I got 12 and 18.
12 and 18. One is 12, another one is 18. And if you reverse this, then one is 12, second one is 18.
Ma'am, I'm getting minus 18, ma'am, as other value.
Yeah, first, that is minus 18 you cannot consider because the side cannot be negative. So that means you got the value of y as 12.
Yes, ma'am, yes, ma'am.
Then what is the value of x? X is 6 plus y.
18, yes, ma'am. Okay. Ma'am, I thought she was talking about the
No,
other
it's
value.
not. No. X and y values.
Okay.
Ma'am, x is equal to 18 and y is equal to 12, ma'am.
Yes, right.
Okay.
Okay. Then there is a one question solved example.
Ma'am, I got the answer.
One more solved example is there. A pole has to be erected at a point on the boundary of circular park of a diameter 13 meters in such a way that the differences of its distances from two diametrically opposite gates A and B on the boundary is 7 meters. This means one pole has to be erected on the circular field, on the boundary of that circular field. Now this is anywhere you have to erect one pole. So suppose here is the pole P. Now its distance from two gates A and B, which are opposite side of the diameter. So anywhere we can consider. So here I will consider the diameter. This is one diameter passing through the center. This is point A and this is point B. AB is a diameter. Now P is distance of that pole from two gates. That is gates is AP and second one is PB. So difference of these distances, AP minus PB, they have given us 7 meters. Is it clear? Is the question clear?
Yes.
This is AB is 13 meters they have given. So is it possible to do so? Is it possible that is can be erect like this? So for that thing we have to check out that equation will have the real solution or not. Then it is possible. If it don't have the real solution, then not possible. So for that first we have to form the equation. Now how to form the equation? What is the relation between AP, PB and AB? So if we consider
Ma'am, can I
PB
tell?
as X, if we consider PB as X, then AP will be 7 plus X. So PB is X. This is 7 plus X. So what is the relation between these three?
Ma'am, it's right angled at P because AB is the diameter. So we can find the angles by using Pythagoras theorem.
Yes.
13 square equals
Angle APB
x
is equal to
square plus
90 angle in a
9.
semicircle. So therefore AB square is equal to AP square plus PB square. AB square is 13 square is equal to AP is 7 plus X whole square plus X square. So 169 is equal to 49 plus 14x plus X square plus X square. So 2x square plus 14x plus 49 minus 169 is equal to 0. 2x square plus 14x minus 0 to 120. So this is x square plus 7x minus 60 is equal to 0. So we have to factorize it. But before factorizing, they are asking is it possible or not. So that you can possible by checking whether the solution has equation has real solution or non-real solution. So for that you need to find out the value of b square minus 4ac. We have to solve this by quadratic formula. So 7 square minus 4 into 1 into minus 60. So which is 49 plus 120, sorry 240. that is equal to 289. So value of D is 289. So that means it is greater than 0.
Yes, ma'am.
That means it has real roots. So means this condition is possible. So whatever the condition they are telling, that is possible. Now find out the distances. So we have the equation x square plus 7x minus 16. We got the value of D as 289. So what is the value of square root of D?
17.
It's 17. So x is equal to minus b plus or minus b square minus 4ac by 2a. What is minus b? Is minus 7 plus or minus 17 by 2. So this is equal to minus 17 plus minus 7 plus 17 by 2, or minus 17 minus 7 minus 17 by 2. So this is 10 by 2, which is 5, or minus 24 by 2,
-12.
that is minus 12. Distance cannot be negative. Distance can't be negative. So therefore, x is equal to 5. That is PB is equal to 5 meters, and AP is equal to 7 plus 5, that is 12 meters.
Ma'am, is this example question?
Yeah, solid example and very important.
This is the last question, no?
No, two more are there. Small two more questions are there in the next exercise. This question is very important. They have asked multiple times. Last to last, 2018 paper, they have asked this question. School also once they will ask this question.
How do you find when, ma'am, how do you find like it's not, it cannot be factorized and that you have to use the formula?
No. Here they have asked, it is, you can do anything, any method, not a problem. But here was the question, is it possible to do so? So possible to do so, that means whether that equation can be satisfied or not satisfied, that you have to find out. So therefore we have solved by formula. Otherwise you can easily solve it. 12 into 5, 12 and 5 are the factors. Plus 12 and minus 5 is a factor. You can do with the factorization also. But there is a question was asked. That is, is it possible to do so? For that reason only we need to find out the value of D. After D, if you want, you can solve by factorization also, no problem. Completed?
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, actually I tried it by factorization method also, but I'm getting a different answer.
How you have factorized?
Ma'am, I've done x square plus 7x minus 60 0, then x square plus 12x minus 5x is 60. So, oh no, ma'am, I got my mistakes. No, ma'am, I got my mistake. Sorry.
Have you done?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
The next question. Whenever they're asking if it's possible or not, so that time you have to calculate the value of D. So check this question, how to do. Is it possible to design a rectangular mango groove whose length is twice the breadth and area 800 meters square? It's a rectangle whose length is twice the breadth. So length is twice the breadth and breadth is breadth and area is 800. That means length into breadth is equal to 800. So length is 2b into b is equal to 800. 2b square is equal to 800. So value of b square is equal to 400. So value of b is 20. So that means we are able to solve the question. We got the b value positive. So length will be 40, which is possible.
Ma'am, that is a 1 marker.
Yeah. Is the following situation possible? If so, determine their present ages. If possible, you have to determine the present ages. The sum of the ages of 2 friends is 20 years. And 4 years ago, the product of their ages was 48. Is it possible or not? So present ages, sum of the ages of 2 friends is 20 years. So 2 friends are X and Y. So X plus Y is equal to 20. So before 4 years ago, what are their ages? What will be their ages before 4 years?
X minus 4 and Y minus 4.
The product of those ages is equal to 48. So that means xy minus 4x minus 4y plus 16 is equal to 48. Value of xy, here it is y value, y is equal to 20 minus x. Substitute here x into 20 minus x minus 4x minus 4 into 20 minus x plus 16 minus 48 is equal to 0. So 20x minus x square minus 4x minus 80 plus 4x plus 16 minus 48 is minus 32 is equal to 0. Plus 4x minus 4x cancel. Minus x square plus 20x minus 80 minus 32 is 1. Minus 112 is equal to 0. So now simplify. Just take the minus common. Change the sign. X square minus 20x plus 112 is equal to 0. Now this is possible. To find the solution is possible or not by value of d. D is equal to b square minus 4ac. That is minus 20 square minus 4 into 1 into 112. That is 400 minus 448. That means minus 48. So d value is negative. So is it possible to find out the solution?
No, ma'am.
So not possible.
No, ma'am.
As roots are Imaginary. Non-real.
NCERT question, no?
Yeah, this is NCERT. All these are NCERT questions. Last exercise.
Ma'am, is the fifth one the last question?
Yes. Is it possible to design a rectangular park of perimeter 80 and the area 400 meters square? If so, find its length and breadth. Find out. Form the equation, check the value of D, possible or not.
Ma'am, is D equal to 0?
Yes, right.
Okay, ma'am.
$20, ma'am.
Yes, right.
20 and 20.
20, 20, both are same. So NCERT done. Addition 8.9, 9 questions and 8.10, 4 questions. You have to finish by tomorrow, 13 questions.
Ma'am, again, ma'am.
And all, ma'am.
8.9 and 8.10.
Ma'am, any 9 questions?
There are 9 questions only.
Oh, yeah, okay, sorry.
8.9, it has 9 questions and it has 4 questions.
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
finish by tomorrow.
Yes, ma'am.
12th and 13th, we have to do it here. Those are
Okay.
important exercises. 12th and 13th one are important exercise.
Okay. Yes, ma'am.
You can leave now.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.